inverse of a matrix. In inverse concept, we have two types. One is additive inverse, one is multiplicative inverse. In additive inverse, what should be added to the matrix A so that it becomes null matrix? It is minus A. In multiplicative inverse, what should be multiplied to matrix A so that it becomes a unit matrix? It is some B. But here B is nothing but I by A. We already know that we can't divide two matrices. So here B becomes A inverse. So that A multiplied with its inverse, it becomes unit matrix. So now we're going to discuss about the multiplicative inverse in detail. So inverse of a matrix means a square matrix of order n is invertible if there exists a square matrix B of the same order such that AB or BA should be a unit matrix of order n, which means inverse exists only if the B matrix should also be the same order, and reversal law applies, matlab both should be equal. So we also have a inverse is denoted in this way, and we also have a formula to find the A inverse. And one main important condition is determinant of A. A inverse is 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A. Here determinant of A should not be equal to 0, then only inverse exists, which also means A is a non-singular matrix, right? Yes. So to find the inverse of a matrix, first we need to find the determinant of a matrix, then adjoint of a matrix. I already discussed how to find the adjoint of A, that is first find minors, then cofactors, then adjoint. So here first find the determinant. If determinant is not equal to 0, then only A inverse exists. If determinant is equal to 0, then A inverse doesn't exist. Okay, let's take an example. A matrix is given. We need to find A inverse. So I already told you, first find the determinant of A. How to find the determinant of A? Multiply the diagonal elements. 1 into 4, 4. Minus of, multiply the non-diagonal elements, which is 6, which gives minus 2. So it is not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. Now, find the adjoint of A. I already discussed a trick. So what is it? So adjoint of A is nothing but interchange the diagonal elements that are 1 and 4. Next, add a negative for the non-diagonal elements. This is the required adjoint of A. Now find the A inverse. How to find A inverse? With the formula 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A, which is nothing but minus 1 by 2 into 4 minus 2 minus 3 and 1. Nothing but minus 2, 1, 3 by 2 minus 1 by